Gusteau AI has just been released, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing AI software. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or just someone looking to level up their tech stack, this software could be a game changer for you. Stick around till the end, because I've got a few surprises about this software that you don't want to miss. Now, before we dive deep into Gusteau AI's features, I want to let you know that you can try this software for completely free from the first link in the description below. That's right, no commitment, no payment info required. Just click and give it a shot. So, what makes Gusteau AI different from other tools out there? First off, it's packed with some incredibly powerful features that can automate tasks most of us thought only a human could handle. Whether you're handling customer support, content creation, or marketing campaigns, this software is designed to make your life easier. One of the first things you'll notice is how intuitive it is. Even if you're not a tech expert, Gusteau AI is remarkably user-friendly. Its interface is simple, clean, and doesn't overwhelm you with complicated options. It's truly built for people who want to get things done quickly and efficiently. Moving on to the next key feature, automation. Gusteau AI really excels when it comes to automating repetitive tasks. From scheduling social media posts to drafting emails, it can save you hours every week. Imagine how much more you could focus on the creative and strategic aspects of your business, while this AI handles the mundane. Another huge selling point is the accuracy of Gusteau AI's natural language processing. Whether you're creating content, analyzing data, or even responding to customer queries, this software gets it right the first time, which can cut down on mistakes and improve your overall efficiency. It doesn't just mimic human conversation, it understands context, tone, and intention, which is a huge advantage for anyone looking to maintain high-quality communication. And let's not forget about integrations. Gusteau AI works seamlessly with a variety of third-party apps and platforms, making it easy to plug into your existing workflow. Whether you're using Google Suite, CRM tools, or project management software, Gusteau AI won't disrupt your system, it enhances it. One thing you might be wondering is how Gusteau AI handles data security. I can reassure you that this software takes privacy seriously. With state-of-the-art encryption and strict protocols in place, your data remains secure, which is a non-negotiable factor when selecting any software. You might also be wondering about the learning curve. Don't worry. While it's packed with features, it's designed so you can start using it right away without spending hours learning how to use it. Plus, it offers extensive tutorials and support to guide you along the way. So, what's the bottom line? Gusteau AI is a powerful, efficient, and intuitive software that could drastically improve your workflow, save you time, and help your business grow. If you've been looking for an AI solution that delivers, this one is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to click the link below to try Gusteau AI for free. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've made it a point to only recommend the ones that truly stand out, and Gusteau AI is one of them. You'll find other software suggestions in the description as well, ones I personally recommend after putting them through the test. Try them and let me know what you think.